All right, so today we're taking on a new challenge or a new review. We actually have a little bit of a problem with our dryer. It's not drying properly. So the first thing we're going to check is going to be the dryer vent to see if it's clean. It's been a couple of years since I've cleaned it. I didn't have any tools to do it, but today I've purchased some from Amazon. I've purchased the Holic-Me dryer vent cleaner kit. It's 50 feet. I've got a little bit of distance to go to get to my actual end of my dryer to where it actually vents from the dryer. So I needed 50 feet. So this is the one I purchased. So we'll open it up, see what that looks like, and we'll get cleaning. So not going to be too much to this kit. You're going to get the little auger brush and then all of the sticks that go along with it to make 50 feet. And then a bit that goes into your drill that you then put obviously into your drill and into the end of one of these. So open that up, show you how that works. Pretty easy. Find the end, twist it in, and then hook it into your drill. Okay. From there, each one of these then spins on clockwise, and it does come with instructions on how to use it. Says make sure that you do have your drill running clockwise, twist them on clockwise, and then you'll be ready to go. So that's what's in the box, in the kit. We'll go ahead and get going on it. So the first thing we need to do is get the dryer unhooked. So slide it away from the wall. And then you probably won't be able to see this, but I'm going to go ahead and unplug it for safety. Okay. And then remove it from the wall itself. Inspect the hose. The hose doesn't look too bad, although I probably will try to clean out in there a little bit after we're done with the big part. So from experience, having done this one time before, I can already tell you that cleaning from here cleaning from inside the laundry room is going to be less effective because the vent actually goes up the wall and then curves up into the ceiling. So it just doesn't work as well. So we're going to do it from the vent outside, bringing it inside. All right, so here we are outside. And as you can tell, it's pretty dirty. We've got stuff coming out already. So first thing I need to do is go ahead and pull off the cover. We'll do that real quick. It might just be the cover that was clogged because it doesn't look too bad inside of there. But either way, we'll go ahead and we'll get it cleaned out since we're up here because that doesn't look bad at all. But we'll give it a try. Like I said, I have done this before with a tool that was similar to this. So you do sections at a time and make sure you're just running the drill in the clockwise direction. Okay. kind of a slow process, unfortunately. I think this time I'll put 2 on. Almost looks like this. Very good. Okay. And pretty soon you'll get to the point where you just leave it in and slowly bring it out. What we'll end up doing is pushing everything back into the laundry room and then just picking it up with a vacuum cleaner in there. Around as much. Just put it in the next one. It's also easier to put on less at a time. If you try to put them all together at the same time, it makes it somewhat difficult to get in there. That is the one complaint. They do not know part is it. A little more difficult to do part. Normal to hit snags a little bit, but once you hook it up to the drill, it should get past those snags pretty easy. Okay. If it gets snaggy, just run it a little bit. All right, so after having completed the vent cleaning, I will tell you that it honestly worked out even better than what I anticipated. The one thing I wish I could have shown you was when it popped through the other side where it actually came through to where it hooks up to the dryer. Tons of dryer lint came through there. We were able to vacuum that up. It actually ended up clogging the vacuum. So one thing I'd recommend, make sure you're using a shop vacuum and not a regular vacuum if you do end up deciding to vacuum some of that up. Otherwise, you're just going to cause yourself other problems. So once again, highly recommend the product. If you do want to end up purchasing it, be sure to click the link in our video description below. Certainly helps me out, helps me continue to create content like this for you guys in the future. You may be thinking, I don't need 50 feet, which is perfectly fine. They do sell other sizes ranging from 10 feet all the way up to 50 feet. So be sure to click the one that you think is good for you. I would recommend buying one that's maybe a little bit larger than what you anticipate. That way you have extra pieces should any of them break. But once again, appreciate you guys watching and look forward to seeing you in the next one.